In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Cash Flow Planner in QuickBooks Online. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to keep a closer eye on their finances, whether for personal reasons or business management. So, let's dive right in and make your cash flow management easier and more efficient. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Dashboards. Click on it, and once it opens, shift over to the Planner tab. This section is specifically designed to help you map out your financial future. If you haven't set up a planner yet, don't worry. QuickBooks makes this process quite intuitive. You'll see an option that says Start Planning. Simply click on it, and you're on your way. This initiates the setup, guiding you to view your cash flow historically. Once you're inside, the tool offers you a comprehensive view of your cash flow, allowing you to observe the total sums of money that have moved in and out of your connected bank accounts. This can be especially useful to identify patterns or trends in your spending and income, giving you insights into periods of high financial activity versus those quieter times. One useful feature is the ability to view either the cash balance or the specific amounts of money flowing in and out. QuickBooks provides graphs that visually represent these figures, enhancing your understanding through easier interpretation. By hovering over these graphs, you can delve into the specifics, giving you insights into particular days or months, especially handy if you need to track down the details behind larger fluctuations. As you scroll down in the Planner tab, you'll notice that QuickBooks has laid out all the cash flow information in an easy-to-read table format. This table can display data over days, weeks, or even months, providing both flexibility and detail. Now, a unique feature here is the ability to add potential items to your cash flow plans. These items could be hypothetical scenarios, perhaps a large purchase or an expected payment, allowing you to see how they might impact your future cash balance projections. Rest assured, these additions are solely for planning purposes, so they won't alter your actual books or financial records. Think of this as your financial sandbox, where you're free to try out different scenarios to better prepare for them in the real world. It's a risk-free way to strategize and see the potential impacts before they happen. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just tapped into a powerful means of projecting and planning your cash flow using the tools that QuickBooks Online offers. Consider experimenting with different scenarios to keep on top of your finances and make informed decisions. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember that planning is an essential part of achieving financial success.